the cannon. Lots of beautiful Chevelles today. Got Quarantine Cruise. It is Chevelle weekend, so we got lots of Chevelles. So we got lots of them in the parking lot. Cool GTO. I like your walking stick. Cool convertible.
That's sweet. Oh yeah, shit. Get in it. What, they got a little magnetic something somewhere? Underneath. Oh. Yeah, but you can't. Yeah, but if your battery dies, you gotta have some mechanical way of. Whoa, look at the trims. No complaints. Oh, it's gorgeous. I take it hard.
Beautiful convertible. Look at that Kong. Oof. Wow. Look at that thing. Man, there's some crazy stuff here this morning. Lots of amazing Chevelles. I actually haven't even worked over here with these guys. Whoa. I smelled race gas from a couple of these when they were pulling in. Wow. Whoa.
This is 65.
Wow. It's a 6-speed too, huh?
That looks risky.
Yeah. Morning, sir. Wow, this is 6-speed too, huh? Wow. Jesus. Where are the turbos on this?
Twin turbo.
This thing's not messing around, huh?
Yeah. Mira los oh, ese turbo no está como el mío, ¿no?
Wow. Holy shit. This thing's beautiful. Jesus. So the turbos on this are like down, down, down. I wonder if I could see them from here. Oh yeah, there you go. I was gonna say, I wonder if I could see them from there. There they are. The only place you can see him from there. It's having a hard time finding the turbos.
Twin turbos with AC.
Yeah, I was having a hard time finding the turbos. The only place you could see them is from if you sat down right there and looked through the wheel well.
Incredible.
Yeah.
What a work of art some of these here gigs are.
Yeah.
These guys weren't here last weekend.
No, they're from Northern California. Pretty. This one's pretty sick. This is really nice.
It's like GM itself made it.
Yeah. This one's really nice too. I mean, we haven't even scraped the parking lot. We have not even scraped the parking lot. And this guy just got out of bed. And this guy just got out of bed right here. This guy just got out of bed right here. I don't think I've seen the shitty car yet.
This is wifey's car.
Yeah, I like the shitty car.
No, I know. They're warm. We need to bigger than.
I just want to go boom and put my foot through the side of the car.
Is that wifey?
We stand on those and go for a ride.
Yeah, come on.
What's
Long
up,
time no see,
dude?
man.
Nice to see you.
Good
I
to
don't
see
think
you,
I've
too.
seen the shitty car yet.
Really? It's been here.
I like this car.
The ship box. It's good.
I know, he's rolling
Come on, here,
it
look.
in my wagon.
This thing's sick, dude.
Give them a preview.
I like this car.
It's a sleeper.
So do you start with like a LS1, LS3?
It's a 6.0.
Oh, it's a
Still
6-liter.
iron block. Jane, this is my sister Victoria. Victoria Jane. She's Chevys with Chevys. Started with the 6.0 LS and then did like a retro LS top end.
Yeah.
And on the underside, I have all the CPP tubular suspension and their Corvette brake system. And then their wheel company. And then some Alden coilovers to top it off. So Dakota Digital Vintage Air
Is this a 64, 65?
64, the mallet beater. Yeah. Yes, sir.
This thing's cool, dude.
Yeah, thanks.
Nice to see you. You know, I've seen him post a few pictures on this, and I don't remember. It might have been here once, but I really like this thing. This looks like you could kind of just take this thing anywhere, but it's got a 6-liter with all the go fast stuff, and it'll take your lunch money, though. It'll take your lunch money. This thing's sick, dude. I like this thing. I don't think I've seen him bring this here before.
Yeah, I've only seen it on Instagram.
Yeah.
Because he always wants to try this one.
Yeah, exactly. I don't think he finished this until recently. The 6-liter with all the cool stuff in it. This thing's cool.
Okay.
I like it. Got the AC, all the good stuff in it.
I was like, yeah, mine wouldn't look that good.
Right.
One.
Oh, yeah. What? 64, first year.
They came from Fremont. What's up, brother? Morning.
What's up, dude? Nice to see you.
See you.
Good morning. And I'm gonna go around this guy. This would be the. What's up, dude? This car right there, that thing's ridiculous. Did you go look at this thing?
Which one? The 65?
No, this guy right here. The twin turbo one?
Oh, this one here?
This one, you can't even see the turbos. You see they're cut out through
I'll
the.
tell you one thing, you haven't seen a day like this in a long time here.
No, because of the quarantine cruise tomorrow.
That's what I heard.
And then all these are Northern California. Chevelle.
Wow.
It's like 25 cars came
I
down
know.
from like the Bay Area.
Wow.
Yeah, they roll down. But I
Yeah.
follow a lot of these guys over there. This is the drop C car club.
What's up, Mike?
Yeah, they brought some
That's
bad
right.
And then this one over here, Sean gonna shoot this one on Autotopia today. That one's over 1,000 horsepower. That's 65 right there.
I bet you this probably was too. Do you see the bumper has the turbos cut out? But this thing's just like immaculate. You could eat out of it.
Oh yeah,
but,
he got those like mirror image turbos.
but you can't even see them unless you're like over here.
Yeah.
If you duck down, you could kind of see them through here.
Oh, the way he got them going down, like.
Yeah, you can't see the turbos through there,
man,
but
he cut it right out.
if you duck down, you can see them through here.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's only the second car I've seen set up like this.
This thing's beautiful. Yeah, this is a really pretty. I mean, there's a lot of them like that here, but that's. I went around a little bit. Yeah. This thing's beautiful. Yeah.
I know Mako over there. He's like the. I think he's the president of that drop C car club.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That Rick.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So I talked to him.
Yeah, he's cool. I like him.
About my daughter and stuff. Keep me updated on your shit.
Morning, sir. What's up, dude? Nice to see you.
Likewise.
This thing's interesting.
Where would you fill it otherwise?
Hey, you have to
Fill what?
there, but
Oil.
Where would you fill the oil? It's not on the valve cover on that side. It's not on the valve cover on that side. There's a breather on the back. Did you guys already figure it out, or are you trying to figure it out?
Remove the intake, remove the valve cover, pour in the oil.
yeah, we had a C2 come in and he hit the single valve covers. And that's how you fill it.
Oh, all those Allens come off and it's under that?
Yeah, or there's that little plug. Right there.
Oh, yeah. It sure blends in well, though. Huh. This intake is ridiculous, though. I like how they mask the intake right here, though. Because this is just the intake filter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is interesting too. It's like carpet. The only thing that's a bummer about a car like this, and you already know this because you work on cars, is you can't take this car anywhere else. Like anywhere, you can't just take it in the shop and be like, work on this. Or like, what the fuck do you want me to do with this? You know what I mean? You can't take it to, you know, some random shop. Exactly. Yeah, they're like, where does this thing go to this? They're like, I don't know. It's beautiful though. What's up, dude? Nice to see you.
Yeah.
I was like, I know that guy.
I've been back in a while, man.
I know. What did you drive here?
My blue Chevelle.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Like example, I'm hard.
Did you sell your Bel Air? Yeah.
Yeah, so
I really like your Bel Air.
Thank you.
Excuse me. But I really like your Bel Air, but I really like your Chevelle too.
Thank you. Yeah, no, the Bel Air was rad. I love that car.
Yeah.
Too, but somebody had to have it way more than I needed to keep it.
You know, it's funny. There's a gentleman here that has a Bel Air with a Continental kit on it, and
Yeah.
I think about you. Did you see it already?
No, I haven't seen
Oh,
it.
there's
Yeah.
one over here, but it's a 56 too. And it reminds me of you every time I see it.
Is it the yellow one? The yellow one?
No, it's red too.
Oh, it's red.
Yeah.
No shit. Okay.
Yeah, here, come here. It's actually right over here. It's funny because there's not very. It's kind of a weird thing to have a Continental kit on one. Not weird.
You know what I mean? Like it's.
Not weird, but yeah.
And it does take more effort to make that shit work.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, he's really cool, but it's right here. And it's interesting because it's got wire wheels on its bagged.
Wires bags?
Yeah, it's cool. It's a really nice car.
Oh, right on.
Yeah. But when I see it, I'm like, looks like John's car. Not exactly, but just like, you know.
If that feel.
Exactly, yeah.
I do miss it every once in a while. I think.
Yeah.
You know, I see a picture of it. I'm like, it was cool. It was cool. Like, I mean, that right there. You know?
Exactly.
It's just like, yeah, I used to do that.
Exactly. Yeah.
And then with the LS and everything, and then just the way I had it, I felt like I could drive it anywhere. So I drove it all the way to Reno and back, dude.
Oh yeah, dude. You used to drive that thing everywhere. Yeah. What motor's in your Chevelle?
427 big block.
Oh, okay. That gets a little bit different gas mileage.
It's a little bit different gas mileage, yeah. So I've got a 69 Camaro that's got it.
Oh, is it right here? Yeah. Oh, okay. Let's look at it. I don't think I've seen it in person yet, honestly. Oh, yeah. Dude, every time I see the wheels you guys make too, I love them so much. They're so nice.
Have you seen how this works?
I mean, kind of. I've seen you demonstrate them, but
Like, yeah, you just you rotate it and then pop it out. So
they're so cool.
a little different.
I love them.
Thank you.
They're so cool because, I mean, there's a few companies that make these style wheels, but I really like the uniqueness of your guys' wheels. Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, I tried to suck the center in.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you see the rear one, they're actually concave. Right through here, it actually dives down so that you can.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you pull the cap.
Oh, I see
in.
what you mean.
Yeah, so I hate when like the center cap pushes out.
Yeah.
And it looks like an Audi belly button, you know.
Yeah.
So that's one thing I tried to do a little different. But yeah, it's a big block. All its big block problems, but it seems to run pretty cool. I mean, it'll run like 185 and kind of stick there.
Such a pretty car. Is this 67 you said?
67, yeah. And then, you know, it's fuel injected and Tremec 5-speed and Curry 9-inch. Got good bones.
Yeah. It looks so nice with the vinyl top too.
Different. Another thing is different. What's up, dude?
That Galaxy is a nice shape.
I like the steering wheel too.
427. Yeah, we're gonna do a
Spark steering wheel.
I think we're gonna have to soon. This guy wants to